What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am so excited because we're going to be doing our monthly Boxycharm video, but today's is really exciting because not only do I have our regular month of November Boxycharm box, but I also have the Boxycharm Premium box. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Boxycharm is coming out with so many cool, exciting changes and new options and stuff, but I am so excited to dig into these. I still have the tape on the both of them, so I have not opened them at all. We're going to open them together. I do want to tell you guys the difference in between the boxes if you guys are not aware yet, because Boxycharm has implemented some changes in the month of November as well. So the regular monthly box is now $25 per month. You're guaranteed 5 full-size items and over $125 worth of value. So we're going to unbox this together today, and we're going to go through the values and stuff of all the products and add them up to see if it is worth it. But that is the monthly box and the pricing for that. Now the Boxycharm Premium, which is right here, a much bigger box. If you guys can just see size comparison. Boxycharm Premium is much bigger. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 per month. You're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size beauty items and at least $175 value. So there's basically a $10 difference in between the boxes, but in Boxycharm Premium, you're gonna be guaranteed at least 1 more product, if not 2, and at least $50 more in value. So that's basically the differences. And starting in the month of November, they did add some new customizations to Boxycharm, which is really cool. I talked about it briefly in my video last month, but to recap for you guys, if you did not see that, we're going to be getting more customization. So you guys are going to get test complexion swatch packs for products so they can be better matched to your skin tone, which is really exciting. You're also going to be able to select 1 item in your box every single month. So 1 item per month, you're going to actually be able to choose what is in your box. And you're going to be able to add more products to your boxes per month if you want to at the member discounted rates. So you can kind of add on some extra things. And they're going to be doing a Boxy pop-up every quarter, and the next one is in November, which is really exciting. And then you can get beauty products at up to 80% off, but you do have to have an active membership to be eligible for that. So that is really exciting too. So many cool changes. So I am so excited to dig in these boxes, see the differences, see if I think the premium box is worth the upgrade or not, and see what Boxycharm has going on for the month of November. I will have a link down below to Boxycharm if you guys want to check it out. So click the link in my description if you guys are interested. But without further ado, first be sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss any of my future videos, so hit the subscribe button if you have not already, and hit the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna start with the regular box first. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what we have inside. I'm using little brow scissors to open this because I forgot my box cutter downstairs. It's okay. All right, ooh. We already got the pamphlet falling out. Okay, so this basically tells us everything inside as well as the respective values. So we'll look at that when we go through the products. Oh, and this is really cool. On top, this is the complexion little pack that they were going to send. So this is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and they sent 4 different shades for me to test out. And then it says on this little pamphlet, I basically just go to boxycharm.com/complexion and let them know which shade is best matched to my complexion and receive complexion products better matched to you in a future Boxy. That is really cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna do this. And there's a little guide on the back too that says more options for shades. Very cool. I like this a lot. I'm really excited to start receiving complexion products. That's awesome. All right, so the first thing I see right on top are Lilly Lashes. That is awesome. I love her lashes, and these look so pretty and fluttery. Ooh, what is the style of these? CEO. Oh my gosh, I love that. Very pretty. I like these a lot, and the packaging is really cute. And these retail for $25, and they are faux mink lashes, so they're completely cruelty-free, but you can definitely get more than 1 wear out of them. On the back here, it actually says up to 20 uses per pair, which is a lot, so that's awesome. Then we have this little pouch that says Boxycharm. Ooh, oh my god, this is cool. We have some Boxycharm brushes. Oh wow, these are very soft. Oh my god, they feel so nice. This one would be great for contouring. Just a little to snatch out those cheekbones. Wow, these are really cute. They are really soft, and they feel very heavy. They feel luxurious, which I like. So this is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. So the retail value on these guys is $35. This is more of an all-over powder brush because it's bigger. And then this one you could use to blend out your foundation. But like I said, you could also definitely use it for contour. And they feel very soft. So I'm very impressed with that. And it does say these ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. Then we have a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Ooh, this is in the shade Charm. I actually have this, and it is such a beautiful shade. And this this is actually exclusive to Boxycharm and Dose of Color, so they collaborated together to make a couple different shades, but they did actually send this to me earlier in the month to like announce them like creating the shades together, I guess. So since I already have this, I'm going to give this away to one of you guys. So comment down below what your favorite food is to eat on Thanksgiving. So like, are you a mashed potatoes girl? Are you more like on the turkey side, stuffing? Let me know what your absolute favorite Thanksgiving food is. And I will enter you to win this. Since I already have it, I might as well give it away to one of you guys. It's a really pretty shade for the holidays. And just let me know a way to get in contact with you. So whether it's your IG, your email, Twitter, whatever, anywhere that I can DM you, and you will be entered to win this, and I'll pick one of you guys and send it to you. But the retail value on this is $18. You know what? I'm gonna go grab mine because I don't want to swatch this one because I'm gonna give it away to you, but I do want to be able to show you guys the color. So let me go grab the one that I have. All right, got her. So let me go ahead and swatch for you guys so you can see. Oh, literally the prettiest color. Love it for the holidays. I think you guys are gonna love it. Such a beautiful fall kind of holiday vampy shade. It's so beautiful. So love that. Then I see we have the Celestial Thunder palette, I think, from Dominique Cosmetics, which is Kristen Dominique's brand. Ooh, wow. These, ooh, here I am, like almost breaking it. These are so pretty. Ooh, I like this a lot because this gives you a lot of different options. Like there's warm tone neutrals. So for my neutrals girls out there like me, you have options, but then there also are these beautiful pops of color that you can totally use to like spice up your look if you want to add some color one day. So I like this a lot. Okay, let's do some swatches because these are just too pretty not to dig into. Very pretty mattes there, which look beautiful. Now let's do some shimmers. Ooh, I like that a lot. Very, very pretty. Really excited to use this on my eyes. It looks beautiful. And the retail value on this is $35. So that's more than the box on its own, just the palette. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we have this product from Kypris, which I have never tried anything from them before. This is the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. So it's a skincare product. Ooh, anything that says glow, I like. Ooh, I love the color, the packaging. Is this like the coloring of the actual product or just the bottle? I feel like it's just the bottle that's blue. Yeah, okay. So the actual product is like clear, but that's really, really cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. The MSRP on this is $90. What the heck? Wow. Okay, so this is like high-end bougie serum. I'm excited. I'm literally gonna use this tonight. Dang, that is so, so cool. Yeah, it says it has antioxidants in it and a soothing array of botanicals. And you can use it as a lightweight hydrator or a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. You guys know I have a dry skin, so this is really, really cool. I'm totally gonna test this out tonight. Maybe I'll just put a little on my hand right now so we can see. Because $90, girl. That sounds like some nice skincare, so let's put some on. Ooh, it does feel really nice. It feels very, very silky and smooth. Does it have a scent? It has like a light, like fresh scent, nothing like too overpowering or anything, which is kind of how I like my skincare to be. Wow, that does feel really, really nice. Okay, I'm excited about this. Totally trying this out tonight. Oh my gosh, I can't believe $90. All right, so let's add up the value of all this. This is gonna be a high value box. I think it's gonna end up being over 125. So the Dominique Cosmetics palette is $35. The serum is $90. So that's already $125 for the first two products. Oh my gosh. Then we have the liquid lipstick, which is $18, the Lilly Lashes that are $25, and the brush jet that is $35, making the total value $203. Oh my gosh. So the total value of the regular box was even over what the premium box's value is supposed to be, which is $175. So I'm really interested to see what is inside of this. So we need to open this right now because I can't wait any longer. I need to know. Wow, that is crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is nuts. This is the first thing that I see it right on top. Natasha Denona. I love her products, but her products are pricey. So I am, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is in here. This is really exciting. Okay, let's see what this is. This is her Bloom Blush and Glow palette. Oh my gosh. So it looks like we have like 2 highlights and then 2 blushes. All right, we need to swatch like right now. So pretty. I love, oh my gosh. Okay, let's see these blushes. Oh, wait, that was like a cream product. Oh yeah, this is a glow cream base, and then that's a cream blush. Wow, that feels really, really nice. Now let's do the cream blush. Oh my God, these are the most buttery creams I have ever tried. Dang, those look beautiful. Wow. Okay, this is definitely very expensive. Like I said, all her stuff is good, but it is all pricey. So I'm gonna go to the pamphlet and see. Yep, $55 for this. So the whole box is $35 to begin with. So you're already over the value of the box just with that. Oh my gosh, when I saw that when I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Up next we have, ooh, Becca. So this is the Becca Glow Gloss in Champagne Cream. So I think this is lip gloss? Ooh, yes, that is pretty. I'm gonna put this on right now. This shade is right up my alley, nice neutral gloss. Ooh, I like that. It has a nice scent to it too. It's like light, but like minty, which is always good for the mouth, you know, masking up if you have bad breath. Very, very pretty. I love Becca products. They're really, really nice. And this lip gloss looks really, really pretty. I love the shade. So the value on this guy is $22. Next we have the, oh my God, this is so cool. This is from Dragun Beauty. How cool. This is the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. All right, let's see. Oh, so cool. This was like one of the first products she launched. So this is like a color corrector, which is really, really cool. Oh my gosh, wow. I've actually been wanting to try like products from her line. So this is awesome. I cannot wait to try this out. I'll swatch it for you guys. Not that that's really gonna help that much because again, it is a color corrector. So you would put this like beneath your foundation, but that is really nice. I mean, it looks very creamy, but not like super thick, which is great, especially if you're gonna be putting it underneath something else. So that is really cool. Congrats to Nikita for getting her stuff in Boxycharm. That's awesome. And this kind of color corrector is great like underneath your eyes, or if you have blemishes or discoloration on your face, this is really, really great to color correct that. So I'm really, really excited to use this, and the retail value on that is $25. Next, we have an Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. Ooh, from QMS Medi Cosmetics. Very, very excited about this. I actually just finished my eye cream like 2 nights ago, so I've been in need of a new one. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, looks nice and creamy. So I'm literally gonna try this tonight. Just smells nice and fresh. Is it weird that I always smell everything? I don't know, I like to smell my products. But I love eye cream. I use it every single night and every single morning. You are never too young to start using eye cream. I have literally used it since I was in college. So like since I was like 20 years old. And the retail value on this is $150. Oh my goodness. We are getting some high-end skincare this month. Dang, in both of these boxes. Wow. That is really, really exciting. Okay, next we have, we have brushes again from Boxycharm, but this time it looks like there is more. This is like a full-on brush set. Wow, so this is a 5-piece brush set. Very, very cool. Again, like I said, they're all super, super soft. This one would be great for like crease work. We have a little flat top, which is great for all over the lid. You have the 2 brushes that were in the smaller brush, which is great for the face. And then you have this one, which you could probably use this for concealer, or you could also use this for contour too. This one might be good for like nose contour as well. I like small little dense brushes like this for like my nose contour, so these could be really, really good for that. Awesome. Okay, what is the retail value on these? $65 for the 5-piece set. And then the last product we have is from Kopari. I love their stuff. This is a coconut rose toner. Oh, and it's a spray toner. Oh, that's awesome. Because normally I'm used to toners that you need like the little toner pad for, and then you wipe that on your face. But this is nice because you can just spritz your face. It's a lot easier to have to only do that with 1 step. So yeah, it just says after cleansing, spritz onto clean skin or use midday for a refresh. Okay, so I'm gonna use it right now for a refresh. Let's see, let's put it to the test. I'm just gonna spritz my face with this. Ooh, oh my God. It smells amazing. Just like a fresh, nice scent. I like that a lot, and that felt actually really hydrating. I'm kind of hot underneath these lights. I feel like I needed that. It added a little life back to my face. Dang, but that smelled amazing. Maybe it's the coconut. That's probably it. I like that. All right, so let's add up the value of everything in the premium box and see. So the Natasha Denona palette is $55. The eye cream is $150. The toner is $25. The Dragun Beauty Perfector is $25 as well. The 5-piece brush set is $65. And the Becca gloss is $22, making it a total value of $342. Okay, that is nuts. Both boxes were so much over the value that they guarantee to you, which is crazy because the lower box was like $203, I think we said, where they guarantee for it to be at least $125, so it was way over. And then for the premium box, they guarantee $175 of value, and we're at $342. So they are both very high value boxes. I am really, really impressed. Let me know down below what you guys think. Did you like the regular box better, or did you like the premium box? And also, if you guys upgraded to the premium box, let me know what you got, or even in your regular box, let me know what you got, because not every box is the same. There are different variations. So I'd love to hear what you guys got. And also be sure to enter the giveaway, like I said in the video. Just comment down below what your favorite Thanksgiving food is. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.